type of differential equation x square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus x square minus v square y equal to 0. This is the second order differential equation, but we can say that this is the Bessel differential equation of order v. Order v means this one, x square minus v square. So suppose this is the x square minus 9. So you can say that this is the differential equation of order 3. ये वो नहीं है जो order degree 3 degree का. This is the special type of Bessel equation of order v. And suppose here 4 by 9. So you can say that the order is 3 by 2. So this v is a non-negative real number. And when you divide x square to here, x by x square यानी कि x cancel in the denominator x, so x minus 0. So you can check that the x equal to 0 is the regular singular point, and there is not any difficulty to check one. Okay. X equal to 0 is the regular singular point. Now in this case, our solution is yx equal to this. So therefore we can find y dash m plus r cm x के power m plus r minus 1, and we can find y double dash, again differentiate, and these three values substitute in the given differential equation. ये हम लोग पिछले ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन कर चुके हैं, सबको सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, and after simplification we will get this one. Now substituting m equal to 0, so this is the x ke power r and this is x ke power r plus 2. So what we do after substituting m equal to 0, the minimum degree term is x ke power r. So equate the coefficient of x ke power r to 0. So m plus, in the place of m substitute 0, so r square minus v square, r square minus v square into c naught equal to 0. But we know that c naught cannot be 0. So therefore there is the only possibility कि r square minus v square equal to 0. So therefore r equal to plus minus v. Now for v we will find the one solution, and for minus b we will find the another solution, and their linear combination is the complete solution. Okay. Now this is the minimum degree term x ke power r. So the next minimum degree is what? Substitute m equal to 1. So 1 plus r ka whole square minus v square c1 x ke power 1 plus r. And here substitute m equal to 0, so x ke power r plus 2. In r plus 1 and r plus 2, minimum term is r plus 1. So equate the coefficient of x ke power r plus 1 to 0. So 1 plus r ka whole square minus v square into c1 equal to 0. Okay. Now substitute r equal to v. So v plus 1 ka whole square minus v square. So this term cannot be 0. So c1 is 0. Now substitute r equal to minus v. So 1 minus v ka whole square minus v square, when you simplify, so this term cannot be 0. So in this case also c1 equal to 0. Means when r equal to plus minus v, in the both cases c1 you will get the 0. Now you use the m, you have used m equal to 0, m equal to 1. So now we start from m equal to 2 to infinity, m plus r ka whole square minus v square cm x के power m plus r, and plus ये पूरा टर्म, क्योंकि m equal to 0 के लिए हो गया, m equal to 1 we have done. Now starting from m equal to 2, यानी कि exclude the term, नेगेटिव तो लेना नहीं है, m equal to 0 and m equal to 1, and rest thing we will write this one. Now there are two choices. Either this one start from m equal to 0 to infinity. So this is already 0 to infinity. Second choice क्या है कि this is start from 2 to infinity. यानी कि m plus 2 equal to m plus 2, suppose this is equal to z. So when m equal to 0, so z equal to 2, 2 to infinity, c z minus 2, ये तुम्हारा हो जाएगा समेशन z equal to 2 to infinity c, and m के जगह पे z minus 2 and x के पावर m plus 2 equal to z, so z plus r. And since z is the dummy variable, so m equal to 2 to infinity, m equal to 2 to infinity c m minus 2 x के पावर m plus r. So there are two choices. Either this is this one, or you can write in this way. This is start from m equal to 2, so this is also start from m equal to 2. Now write the recurrence relation, and this recurrence relation m is started from 2. Yes, second, this one start from 0, so m minus 2 equal to t. Now m equal to t plus 2 replace, and as like this one, since t is the dummy variable, so replace t to m. Now you can write this one. Now equate the coefficient of x के power m plus r plus 2 to 0. Now write the recurrence relation. यानी कि cm plus 2 equal to this one, where m is greater than or equal to 0. तो यहां तक का प्रोसेस अभी तक सारे क्वेश्चन में किए हैं. पावर सीरीज में भी है, लेजेंडर में भी है, फ्रेबेरियस में भी है. Now write this is the recurrence relation. Recurrence relation. Okay. When you substitute c1 is 0, means m equal to 0 से start करो, c2, so minus m equal to 0, so c naught, so this cannot be 0. ये तो non-zero value मिल गया c2. c2 is this one minus c naught and substitute m equal to 0. अच्छा, first one we have two initial root r equal to v and minus v. R equal to v and minus v. Now we will find for r equal to v. For the r equal to v, we will find the one solution, and r equal to minus v, we will get the another independent solution. So substitute m equal to 0, c0, m equal to 0, r plus 2, okay, and r equal to v, so this cancel. तो इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करके सबसे पहले cm plus 2, this is free from r. In this one substitute r equal to v. Now this one. Okay. Now you can check that. Suppose if you substitute m equal to 1, so for r equal to v and minus v, for both cases, c1 is 0. So when you substitute m equal to 1, so this is the c3. c3 in terms of c1, but c1 is 0, so c3 is also 0. So therefore c3, c5, all the odd term are 0. Now find c2 in terms of c0. Now find c4, यानी कि m equal to 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Write this one. We can write, and also substitute the c2 here. Substitute the c2 here. So c4 write in terms of c0. c6 write in terms of c0. So now we can write there is a common term c2m. By this pattern c0, c0, c0. So we can write c0. In first one minus 1. Second one minus 1 ka square. So this thing you can write minus 1 के power m c0. ऐसे ये we can write this one. In general term, we can write C2m is minus 1 के power m C naught, and this is where m is 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now our solution is y equal to summation m equal to 0 to infinity Cm x के power m plus r. So r equal to v. So x के power v you can write outside. Okay. When you write this is C naught plus C1x plus C2x square plus C3x cube plus C4x के power 4 plus C5x के power 5 plus C6x के power 6 dot 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 dot. Yeah. So what you do, substitute all the values here. Okay. Yeah, second thing, we know that कि C1 is 0. ये term क्या है? 0. C3 is 0. C5 is 0. So therefore we can write our solution is summation m equal to 0 to infinity and x के power v outside. So we can write this is C2m x के power 2m. अगर इसको अंदर भी रखना है तो इसको अंदर अभी रख लेते हैं, बाद इसको बाहर निकाल लेना. ओके, वी कैन राइट दिस वन y इक्वल टू x के पावर v, या इसी को अगर हम ऐसे लिखे x के पावर v समेशन m इक्वल टू 0 टू इंफिनिटी C2m x के पावर 2. हेलो,
यस सर.
ठीक है, वी कैन राइट दिस वन क्योंकि हमारा क्या है, ऑड टर्म और 0. x के पावर v is common outside of this one, ये, and every term C2, C4, etc. these are, we can write C2 in terms of C naught, C4 in terms of C naught, C6 in terms of C naught. So we can see that the C naught is common in every Ci. So take the C naught common. So C naught x के power v and rest them write this one. So this is the one independent solution. One independent solution. And what we do here, we make a suitable choice of a value of C naught. यानी कि हमें एक C naught का ऐसा एक suitable value select करना है. Actually, this is called the Bessel function. And this is the very important function. And we know that this is the independent solution, so this must satisfy the given differential equation. So what we do in this Bessel function, substitute C naught is 1 by, अच्छा क्या लिखा है, 2 power v gamma v plus 1. So now substitute C naught equal to 1 by 2v gamma v plus 1. If you substitute here, so x के power v divided by 2 के power v. So we can write x by 2 के power v. This is x by 2 के power v. And multiply by gamma v plus 1. 1 by gamma v plus 1 minus x square by 2 square means x by 2 का whole square. And gamma v plus 1 into v plus 1. This is what? We know that m gamma m is what? Gamma m plus 1. So this is gamma v plus 2. So this is 1 by factorial 1 gamma v plus 2 x by 2 का whole square and rest term we can write. इन सारे टर्म को we can write in one term m equal to 0 to infinity and this one. या second way in the cm c2m minus 1 के power m c naught and this is. Now in this one c naught is substitute here c naught is 1 by 2 के power v gamma v plus 1. Now this is substitute here. C2m या C2m को थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई कर लो. C2m is minus 1 के पावर m 2 के पावर 2m plus v factorial m gamma v plus 1 and 1 plus v 2 plus v m plus v. So we can write this one. Why? Minus 1 के पावर m is as it, 2 के पावर 2m plus v is as it, factorial m is as it. Gamma v plus 1 into 1 plus v. If you combine these two, so gamma v plus 2. Gamma v plus 2 into 2 plus v, if you merge, gamma v plus 3. Next term is v plus 3. Gamma v plus 3 into v plus 3. Gamma v plus 4. Dot, 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 dot. If you do in the last, so this is gamma m plus v plus 1. So this is the C2m. If you write, solution is y equal to summation m equal to 0 to infinity C2m, because C1, C3, C5, etc. are 0. This is 2m plus v. So for the first solution, if you substitute C2m is here, so C, and this is the first independent solution. So suppose this is the y1, यानी कि JVX. So JVX is summation m equal to 0 to infinity C2m means minus 1 के power m and x के power v. This is the outside. या एक ही साथ रख सकते हैं. Not necessary to read outside because this is 2 के power 2m plus v in the denominator and numerator x के power 2m plus v. So we can write x by 2 के power 2m plus v. And C2m rest term as minus 1 के power m factorial m and gamma m plus v plus 1. And if you expand this one, you will get this one. So this is the JVX. And this converges very fast because in the denominator the power is increases. Yani denominator terms are increases. So that's why this converges very fast. Okay. So this JVX is one of the linearly independent solution of the Bessel equation. Now for r equal to minus v, we can find the another solution. For r equal to minus v, we will find another independent solution. So for r equal to minus v, what we do? J minus vx m equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 के power m factorial m gamma m minus v plus 1 x by 2 के power 2m minus v, and you write this one. So you can find this is the second independent solution. यानी कि in the first one in JV, this is the coefficient of x के power v, the outside x के power v, and in the j minus v, the coefficient is x के power minus v. You can find. So here the main important thing is कि v is not integer. v is not integer. If since v is not integer, so jv and j minus b both are linearly independent, and their general solution या complete solution is y equal to a jv plus b j minus b. So here the main important is कि v is not integer. If v is integer, then jv and j minus b are dependent. So up to here, any doubt, any question? तो अभी यहाँ पे ये क्लियर कर देते हैं कि वाई इन द केस ऑफ इंटीजर दे आर द नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट. तो इसको सबसे पहले इसी को प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. See. Suppose v equal to n, an integer. Now we will show that jv and j minus b are linearly dependent. So in the formula of jn, substitute यानी कि jv, in this case jv यहाँ चाहो तो यहाँ एक साइड में लिख लेते हैं. This is m equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 के power m, and this is factorial m gamma m plus b plus 1 and x by 2 के power 2m plus b. Okay, this is the Bessel function. Now in this one substitute v equal to n. This is integer. And v equal to minus n. So this is also integer. Substitute करके. So when substitute v equal to n, so just replace v to n. And v equal to minus n, so replace v to minus n. So this is the j minus n. But see, we know that gamma r plus 1 is what? Factorial r. लिख सकते हैं ना. Gamma 3 is what? Factorial 2. So see, gamma m minus n plus 1. Gamma m minus n plus 1. Suppose this is r. So factorial r means m minus n factorial. This is. So when you write gamma in terms of factorial, see, if you start m equal to 0, so 0 minus n, negative is not defined in the factorial. So what happened when m equal to 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 up to n minus 1, gamma m minus n plus 1 equal to m minus n factorial is undefined. Yeah, infinite, whatever. So therefore, we will start from m equal to n to infinity. So factorial m gamma, this is factorial m minus n x by 2, this one. Now shifted this one to m minus n equal to substitute t. So when m equal to n, t या k कर लो जो भी करना है, whatever. So when m equal to n, so k equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 के power n plus k factorial n plus k, and you can change. So j minus n is minus 1 के power n plus k factorial k x by 2 के power 2k plus n. Now take the minus 1 के power n common, because this varies from k equal to 0 to infinity. So this does not depend on the n. So minus 1 power n, k equal to 0 to infinity, minus 1 के power k factorial n plus k x by 2 के power 2k plus n. And this is the what? This is, in this one, if you write v equal to n and start from m to replace to k, so jn x is k equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 के power k x by 2 के power 2k plus b by factorial k plus b, k plus n equal to n. So this is, so minus 1 के power n jn x. So when v is integer, v equal to n is integer, so therefore j minus n x equal to minus 1 power n jn x. So both are linearly dependent. J minus n depend on jn, या jn depend on the j minus n. So when in the case of v equal to n, we will by this method we can find only one independent solution. हेलो, कोई डाउट? किसी कुछ पूछना है? हेलो, एनी क्वेश्चन? आवाज कट रही है, क्या बोल रहे हो? फिर से बोलो। चलो ठीक है, पूछना हो तो पूछ, कभी भी कोई डाउट हो तो आप बीच में पूछ सकते हो, ठीक है? सो दिस इज द benefit of application of Bessel differential equation to find the solution of differential equation. X square y double dash plus x y dash plus x square minus 1 by 16 y equal to 0. So this is the v square. V square equal to 1 by 16. So v equal to plus minus 4. यानी कि v equal to 1 by 4. Sorry, 1 by 4. So their solution is, this is y is a jvx plus v j minus bx, and v is 1 by 4, so a j 1 by 4x plus b j minus 1 by 4x, and by this formula we can find, in this one substitute v equal to 1 by 4, you will get the one solution. In this one substitute v equal to 1 by 4, you will find the another solution. So their linear combination is the general solution या complete solution. So this is the main benefit. If you remember JV, so by this formula you can find the solution. Now transform this equation and using the Bessel differential equation by substituting 4x equal to z and find the general या complete solution of this differential equation. In this one, y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. So what he say, कि 4x equal to z means change independent variable x to another independent variable z, यानी कि dy by dx. So actually when you replace x to z, तो y से z, actually y is the function of x here, but x is function of z. So dy by dx is differentiate y with respect to z and differentiate z with respect to x. So by the chain rule, we can find dy by dx is 4 dy by dz. Similarly, we can find d2y by dx square, this one. All the values substitute here. After substitution and simplify, you can find this one. यानी कि y double dash plus z y dash plus z square minus v square y equal to 0. ठीक है, and v square is 9 by 4, so v equal to 3 by 2. So our solution is y in terms of z, so yz is a v jv, and in the place of x write z, a jv z, yz is a jv of z plus v j minus v of z. Now what we do here, replace z to 4x. So now you convert into in terms of x. So this is the complete solution here, general solution. Now suppose v is an integer. So if v equal to n, this is the integer, so gamma v plus 1, we can write v gamma n. So actually we know that this is gamma n plus 1 is factorial n. So C2m is, if you see that, minus 1 के power m and 2 के power 2m plus v and factorial m and m plus v factorial. So when v is n integer, so C2m minus 1 के power m, 2 के power 2m plus n factorial m and factorial m plus n. So therefore there correspond, we can write Bessel function Jn. Replace x to n. Now you can find the Bessel function of order 0. यानी कि substitute v equal to 0. यानी कि n equal to 0. So j0x we can write j0x, we can write this one. Substitute x equal to 0, so this is j0 equal to 1. यानी कि this cuts on the y axis at 0. So we can see that by the graph of j0x, this is the cut on the y axis at 1. So this is the graph of j0. Similarly, when you substitute n equal to 1, we can find the j1. So this is the graph of j1. So you can find the j0 and j1. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत इजी है, देख लेना. ठीक. See, the main important thing is, this is the very interesting thing. If you write j0 and j1, the successive largest root differ by, if you subtract this one to this one, you can find 3.14. Subtract this one to this one, you can find 3.14. This one to this one you can find 3.14. In this one you can also see this one. So my one question is, if J0, this is varies from -1 to +1. So how can you find this is 2.58 this one? So this is the question. इसको सोचना and the next class में पूछना. How we will get? So now if v equal to v not equal to integer, then we can find the Bessel function of the first kind, and v equal to integer, we will find the Bessel function of second kind. So Bessel function of the first kind, we prove the following properties of Bessel function: a, b, this is the property 1, and property 2, a and b. So b is very simple. If you integrate a with respect to x, so we will get the b. इसको integrate करो, this is the left side, and the integration of a differentiation, this is x के power v jb and constant of integration. Similarly, if you integrate a, you can find easily b. So main thing is prove the a. How to prove the a? So we know that we have jbx. jbx, we have the formula of jbx. Now in this formula jbx, multiply by x के power v, यानी कि x के power v into jb. So m equal to 0 to infinity, and this thing is the same. This is, there is no change. When you multiply by x के power v, तो x के power 2m plus v तो पहले से था, तो x के power 2m plus 2v, यानी कि jv we have, this is summation m equal to 0 to infinity -1 के power m x के power 2m plus v divided by factorial m plus b plus 1, ठीक है, and this is, इसको चाहो तो इसको x by 2 के power 2m plus v. So how to prove the 1? So for 1, we have the formula of jb. Now in this one, multiply by x के power v. After multiply by x के power v, differentiate with respect to x. ठीक है, multiply by x के power v and differentiate with respect to x. So this is left side 2m plus 2v into x के power 2m plus 2v minus 1. ठीक? And this side. So after simplifying, you can see that this is what? This is jv minus 1. यानी कि in this formula, if you substitute v equal to, या replace v to v minus 1, so you will get this one. So this is the first part. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
इस फॉर्मूले में कुछ नहीं करना है, x के पावर v से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाई डिफरेंशिएट विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x. डिफरेंशिएट कर जब कॉमन निकालोगे तो ये पूरा टर्म इसी में v के जगह पे b माइनस 1 रिप्लेस करोगे तो ये टर्म तुम्हें मिल जाएगा. सो दिस इज x के पावर v jb माइनस 1. So just you remember this formula jbx. By remembering this formula, you can solve everything in the Bessel function. Similarly, x के power minus v jb. In jv, multiply by x के power minus v and differentiate with respect to x. तो तुम सॉल्व कर सकते हो, तो ऐसे कर लेना. दिस इज द P2. Evaluate the following integral in terms of Bessel function. If you want to find this one, see the formula number 1. Sorry, 2. X के पावर भी JB minus 1. X के पावर भी JB minus 1. X के पावर, इसको फिर से चाहे तो लिख लेते हैं, एक सेकंड. This is the formula. X के पावर भी JB minus 1 of X dx. ठीक है. This is X के पावर भी and JBX plus constant of integration. Number 1 ये. Number 2, the next formula is X के पावर minus B JB plus 1 X dx equal to minus X के पावर minus B JB plus 1 of X. So using these two results, we have to evaluate A, B and C. So this is the very easy. X equal to, sorry, V equal to, substitute 1 in this one. So X के पावर minus 1 यानी कि 1 by X. J, B equal to क्या बोला 1. So JB2, J2 X dx. So in this one, if you substitute V equal to 1, you will get this one, left side. So minus X के power minus 1, J 1 plus 1, 2 X, J2X. See. नहीं, X equal, ये कुछ गलत फार्मूला लिखा है. ये V plus 1 नहीं, V होगा. ठीक है. So in the second one, if you replace V to 1, you will get this one. पहला प्रूफ हो गया, प्रूफ नहीं, फाइंड हो गया. Now X square J1, in this one substitute V equal to 2. So X square and 2 minus 1 J1. You can find this one. How to find third one? X cube J naught. See, X cube K naught, we can write X square into X J naught. Yani X cube, we can write X square into X. X square into X. So X J naught, we will find by first formula. In this one, substitute V equal to 1. V equal to 1. So X J naught dx equal to what? X V के power 1 यानी कि X, and this is V equal to 1. So J1 plus constant of integration, तो वो तो constant. So see, X cube, write X square into X. So X square and X into J naught, we can combine this one. So first and this is second. First and this is second. ठीक है? नहीं, ये first and this is second. So first X square, integration of this one. So integration of X J naught is X J1. Sorry, यहाँ first integration of second X J1 minus differentiation of first X square का 2X, integration of second X J1. This is यानी कि X into X square J1. X square J1 means use the formula number 1. this is अच्छा लिखा तो है, ठीक है, d equal to 2 and v equal to 2, so x square j1x is x के power 2 j2, so this is, and you can find this one. Hello, hello,
Yes, sir.
क्या पूछना है कुछ? This is the very simple, just you use the this recurrence relation 4 formula, and by this problem, just by this one and this one, these two formula, we can evaluate this A, B and C. Now next one, prove that this is. So now integrating by part. First one and this is second. So first integration of second x square by 2 minus differentiation of first 2 times j naught, and j naught का differentiation j naught dash, yeah. And integration of second x square by 2 into dx. First term, this is as it. Now we know that j naught dash equal to minus j1. So substitute the value of j naught dash equal to minus j1. So minus minus plus, 2 to cancel, this 2 to cancel, x square j naught and j naught dash के जगह पे minus j1. So this is plus. Now what we do here, x square j naught j1. So x square break into x into x. So x into j1, this is the first portion, and x into j naught, we can write x j1. This is the first formula of the recurrence relation is, यहाँ पे फिर से हम लिख देते हैं, x के पावर v jbx and differentiation of this one with respect to x equal to x के पावर v j v minus 1 x. ठीक है, so x के पावर v jv x and differentiate with respect to x, so this is x के पावर v jv minus 1 x. So using this one, I have written d by dx x j1. Okay, this is x times j1, so x j naught is this one, x j naught equal to x j1 का डिफरेंशिएशन. See, v equal to 1, so x के पावर 1 j1 का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x equal to v equal to 1, so x, and v equal to 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So using this formula, we can write this one, यानी कि x j1 dash x j naught, या x j naught के जगह पे we can replace d by dx, या इसको we can say that d by dx of xj. Now first, first, and this is the second. So first इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकंड इज दिस वन, माइनस डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट, तो फिर यही टर्म हो जाएगा, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकंड तो फिर ये टर्म हो जाएगा. So now you can find their integration, and after simplification you will get the right hand side. So this is the application of property number 1. So you can find this one. Now these are the recurrence relation, as like the Legendre differential equation. Now in this case also we can find the recurrence relation. So how we will prove this recurrence relation? So first we see, okay, this is the x के power v jv of x and differentiation with respect to x equal to x के power v jv minus of x. This is the 7.89. This one. Yeah. We know that this one. Okay. Now we can write this one is this term. First we prove A. We know that this is properties. First property I have written. The left side is differentiation of this term with respect to x. So x के power v का differentiation v into x के power v minus 1, and jv is as it. X के power v is as it, and differentiation of jv j dash v. This is, and right side is as it. Now in the both sides cancel the term x के power v minus 1. So we can write this one. After the cancel, the both in the both sides x के power v minus 1, we will get this one. Now what we write, this term and this term, write one side, and this is go to the right side. So this is, when v is an integer n, so replace v to n. Replace v to n. अच्छा, उसके पहले this is the first property we have proved. X j v dash and x j v minus v. This is the A. Suppose v is integer n, so replace v to n. So you can find this one. इसका यूज करना अभी बाद में करते हैं. Now write 7.91 is x के power minus v jv of x differentiate with respect to x equal to minus x के power minus v jv plus 1 x. We know that this is the P2 का A property by the property number f of P2. This one we know that. Now simplifying this one is differentiate with respect to x. So minus v x के power minus v minus 1. This is into jv. And x के power minus v and differentiation of jv is j dash v. This is the second one. and right side is as it. Now cancel both side x to the power minus b minus 1. This one, and you will get this is the recurrence relation. This is the recurrence relation. क्या नंबरिंग है? B. So you can find A and you can find B. When you add A and B, you can find C. When you subtract B from A, you can find the D. If you add A and B property, you can find C. If you subtract B from A or subtract A from B, whatever, so you can find the recurrence relation D. So by this one, you can find the every recurrence relation. So by using the recurrence relation, we can find J3, this one. J3x is this one. So using the recurrence relation, 7.96 का मतलब फिर से मैं लिख देता हूँ 2 times ये है यहाँ पे ये this is. So by the help of this one, prove that this one. Suppose if v is integer n, so by this one, this relation we can write jn plus 1, this is equal to, and this is goes to here 2n jn, and actually what write here 2n jn equal to x time jn minus 1 plus jn plus 1. This is. So divided by x, so 1 by x into 2n, so 2n by x jn, and this term goes to the left side, so minus jn minus 1, so this is jn plus 1. Substitute n equal to 1, we can find j2. Substitute n equal to 2, so we can find j3. In j3, you can use this recurrence, by recurrence j2, you can find j3. Similarly, you can find j4. In j4, substitute this j3, you can find j4. Similarly, you can find j5. In j5, substitute the previous j4. So in this way, we can find j3, j4, etc. तो उसी तरह ये क्वेश्चन है 7.19. दिस इज द होमवर्क, इसको आप खुद से कर लेना. एंड दिस इज द आल्सो होमवर्क. सब उसी तरह just apply the property 1, 2, 3, 4 and the recurrence relation 1, 2, 3, 4 by this 8 property and also the formula of JB, you can find all things. So yeah. Now Bessel function of second kind. As like the first kind, you can find the Bessel function of second kind. In the first kind, when v is not integer, but in this case v is integer, then what? So if v is integer, then in the section 6.4, I have solved same problem in that section. तो उससे तुम इसको इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ठीक है. इन सेक्शन 6.4, एक्चुअली इन द प्रीवियस क्लास जो मैंने हैंड रिटन जो प्रॉब्लम किया था, एक्चुअली ये वही प्रॉब्लम है. तो ये टर्म when n is not integer, now in this case ये वाला खुद से आप लोग पढ़ लेना. So this is the homework या जो कहो असाइनमेंट. क्योंकि मैंने ऑर्डिनरी पॉइंट पे सॉल्यूशन कैसे निकालते बता दिया, सिंगुलर पॉइंट पे कैसे निकालते बता दिया, दोनों पे अलग अलग सॉल्यूशन. ऑर्डिनरी पे तुम्हारा लीजेंडर, इस पे तुम्हारा बेसेल, और सारा प्रॉब्लम एक ही टाइप का है. तो इस पे तुम लोग ये कर लेना क्योंकि अब टाइम नहीं है. तो ये वाला पोर्शन, और जिसको डाउट होगा वो मेरे से पूछ सकता है. तो ये तुम्हारा हो गया कंप्लीट. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल स्टार्ट द वेक्टर. अच्छा, वेक्टर तो पहले से हम लोग स्टार्ट कर भी चुके हैं. सो वेक्टर डिफरेंशिएशन इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकता है. हेलो हेलो,
यस सर.
कुछ पूछना है?
नो सर.
ठीक है, तो चलो ये पढ़ाई करो, ये टफ नहीं है. उसी तरह ये भी है, जो डाउट होगा हमको अलग से पूछ लेना, मैं बता दूंगा. चलो ठीक है तब, ओके बाय.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, sir.
ओके, वेलकम.